Greetings once again from Stockholm, Sweden. Yes, I am back after my trip, a long trip that I have had from Miami to LA with a cruise and several days spending in the Miami area and Los Angeles as well. So now I'm back. Today is 18th of April 2025 and we have currently 14 degrees Celsius in the air, so it is quite a warm day. Spring is here and it is Good Friday today, so Easter. Happy Easter. It's both Orthodox and Catholic Easter, so the universal Easter. It is not so often that they come in the same dates. Usually there is difference because of the different calendars. Anyway, I'm back in Sweden, but only for a short time, as I'm going to be traveling tomorrow again, but this time in Europe, in a country that I have been many times, in an island that I have been 3 times so far. Yes, so this will be the fourth time, but on a different place on the island. And I am tired from the trip, obviously. It was a long trip yesterday, 14-hour trip plus 9-hour time difference. I have slept a lot yesterday, considering I was sleeping on the plane and then I was sleeping in the evening as well, so in the night. Anyway, also it is day 39 of my hair transplant and I don't think I have posted a video yet because I have a lot of material and vlogs from my trip. That was from my cruise that I was on from Miami to Los Angeles, cruising through 5 different countries. But also as I'm posting this video today, you will be going to see a lot of videos from my trip in United States, Colombia, Panama, Costa Rica, Guatemala and Mexico in the upcoming days as I have time to post. But this is a Nordic adventure and I really wanted to give an update of how the water is in April, as this is actually my third beach adventure in Stockholm, Sweden this year. I had 2 already in March when it was icy and snowy outside. Now the spring is here, but the water is still cold and we're gonna check the temperature right away so I don't make this a long episode. And yes, I didn't mention, but I'm in Ågesta Nature Reserve, right across the Ågesta Nudist Beach on the other side. There was some people there. I went there first at the Nudist Beach, but there were some people with clothes walking around and staring. So I just realized I want peace and quiet, as there were lots of people on the travels. So I really wanted to experience the Nordic stillness in this beautiful spot here all by myself in the lake Magelungen. I'm really hoping it is warm. It feels like it is warmer than last time when I was here. So it says 12 degrees Celsius. Can it be so warm? I don't think so. I need to check it once again. 12 degrees, that's quite warm. It just doesn't feel right. No, it is 12 degrees. So there have been few warm days, so I guess it has warmed up already. It is a smaller lake, so I thought that it would be colder. I don't know why, but yeah, I have gotten here with my Scott. My Ghost is my red bike. This is my mustard bike, yellow mustard Scott gravel bike. And yeah, as I mentioned, I'm still under travel shock and I really was wondering if I should do this episode or not, but yeah, why not? You can see, as I mentioned, the Nudist Beach Ågesta on the other side, less than 100 meters, well, 150 meters bird way. And this is just next to the ski track, a cross-country ski track, maybe 150 meters from the ski track, out in this beautiful nature. This is beach day number 3 in Sweden only, because I have been obviously traveling around the world and being to beaches already. This year already I have been to a lot of beaches, as in January I went on a cruise in the Caribbean then I was also in Egypt. So I was now that I think of, I'm traveling a lot. So alright, let's get going. Let's not spend any more time, as I need to get back home and pack again for another trip. Now this might be about the same temperature as the Pacific. I was taking a swim in the Pacific Ocean yesterday, or actually it was on the 16th, as I was traveling full day. Yeah, on the 16th, and it was around 14 degrees in the ocean, so this is not much colder than that. So there is even a boat passing by. So yes, let's then get in with for a quick dip. I have also fell in Venice Beach on the pavement, so I have a bit of bruises that I hope will go away soon. Okay. Here it's a bit slimy to get in, but once you get in it's fine. So all right, ready, set, and go. Oh, very nice, very nice. Not as cold as I thought it would be. It's just perfect for a refreshing dip. It was actually raining previously when I was biking to get here. Just a few drops, as I call the rain in Stockholm is basically non-existent. But yeah, that was then a wrap. Greetings from Ågesta Nature Reserve, just right across Ågesta Nudist Beach. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!